Well, hello, friends. It is Running Kimono here. And with the end of the year near in sight, there's a lot of self reflection that goes on. And a lot of us are just looking at what we spent on Christmas and probably all of December. And we're like, I have to try and save some money in the new year because it is really scary. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a new year, it's going to be a new you. And if you want to subscribe to my channel to learn how to coupon and save money, it's completely free to do. And that is our first step of this video on how to hack couponing in 2024. So the first step to this hobby, that is pretty exciting when you can get carts and carts of stuff for free and cheap, and it's exciting and you're having your prices right moment, is to have a pretty decent smartphone, at least one that you can readily get to the App Store, download the different apps if you're shopping at Dollar General, Walgreens, Rite Aid, CVS, Target, whatever the store app is, you need to download it so you can get into those digital coupons or percentage off coupons, because that's how we have the biggest savings. And that is your first tip. And hopefully most of you have a smartphone already in hand as you're watching this video. The second point is to learn the app for the store if you're shopping over at Walgreens or Dollar General. Just two examples. You got to open it up, learn how to, load the coupons, where the coupons are. And the second part of that is you have to find a teacher that speaks your language, meaning somebody you can listen to very quickly and just grasp a deal, and you can try and emulate it and have the same result. But somebody who is an excellent teacher for you, you need to start following them, whatever avenue of social media, YouTube, Instagram, whatever it might be, and start following their deals and then finding deals that work for you and your family. Okay, bullet number 3 here is to be a palm tree. And what does that mean? I'm not a tree. When things don't go your way, you have to be able to sway back and forth in the wind like a palm tree. Don't break, but you have to be able to go with the flow, whatever analogy you want to use. Sometimes the app might be glitching, the store might be, out of power that day, a system might be down, things might not go your way. But the more that you can go with the flow and just run with things, the easier this is going to be. If you are just going to go to the store and be argumentative with everybody and say, this is how it should be, it probably won't be that great for you. But the more, flexible you can be, this will work out for you. And with that being said, paying attention to every detail in the deals, if you are really listening, it can really, really help you out. People that are very keen on, paying attention are the ones that pick up this hobby the quickest. I've been teaching this for almost 10 years, and that's what I've noticed. People that really pay attention, it's very easy. I would also recommend to pick up more than one store. Especially now, it seems like some stores, week 1, it's really fantastic. And then the second week, there's no really great digital coupons or things are just a bit slower. But if you're diversifying in, say, like a pharmacy and a Dollar General, 2 stores, you have more options. And you also have to pick the store locally to your area or where you live that they have the most amount. So if you're living in a very tiny town with $2 Generals, that's where you're going to be shopping, not at Target, which is a 2-hour drive away. So pick and choose wisely where you're going to shop and pick more than one store. And the 5th bullet is to really embrace the craft, start doing these deals, and start building a stockpile. With the stockpile, once you have it built up, you're not going to have to run out to the store and buy toilet paper and dish soap and all these other items because you'll have it in your stockpile. And at this point, you can decide if you want to share it with family and friends or if you want to keep everything for yourself. It is your choice. You are the captain and CEO of your stockpile, and anyone can build this up. There's no special formula to it other than being consistent. And it's amazing what you can do to really bless people, especially this time of the year, if you're a generous heart and a couponer. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.